Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is the derivative. This maths is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and freshman engineering students. So I have here number 1, y equals 1 over square root of x. Take note, this is the denominator, so we will use chain rule. So the first thing to do is we need to differentiate dy over dx. Okay? So the rule is you have to square the denominator, then copy the denominator, differentiate the numerator. Derivative of a constant is equal to 0. Then minus, copy the numerator, which is 1, and then differentiate the numerator. So the numerator is the exponent first. This will be 1 over 2. Then the radicand, x. Then exponent will be minus 1. So this will be 1 half minus 1 is equals to negative half. And derivative inside, derivative of x is 1. Sorry, there's still 1 in here. Then close with square brackets. So this will be 0. 0 minus 1 over 2 x raised to the negative half over x. So to simplify this will be negative 1 over 2 square root of x. Then this will be over 1. Then take the reciprocal of this, change the operation to multiplication, then reciprocal of x over 1, that will be 1 over x. So this will be minus 1. Then 2 square root of x times x, that will be x raised to the 3 halves. Then how to write this one in a fraction, in a radical form? So this will be negative 1 over 2 square root of x cubed. So that's the answer for number 1. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is y is equal to 1 over square root of 3x minus 2. So dy over dx is equal to square the denominator. So 3x minus 2 squared. Then copy the denominator. Square root of 3x minus 2. Differentiate the numerator, which is 0, because derivative of a constant is 0. Then minus, copy the numerator, differentiate the denominator. So this will be half times 3x minus 2 raised to the negative 1 half, because 1 half minus 1 is negative half. Then derivative inside, which is 3. Close bracket. So this will be 0. So I have here 0 minus 1 over 2. Then this will be, to simplify, this will be square root. 3x minus 2 times 3 all over by 3x minus 2. Okay? So to simplify, this will be minus 3 over 2 square root of 3x minus 2. Then I need to put 1 in here, save my denominator, and then change this operation to multiplication. Then take the reciprocal. It should be 1 over 3x minus 2. And then combine. So this will be minus 3, then over 2. Square root half plus 1 is 3 halves. So this will be square root of 3x minus 2 raised to the third power. So that's the answer for number 2. Number 3, z is equal to square root of 2 minus 3t. Okay, so take note, my variable is z and then t. So dz over dt is equals to power. This will be 1 over 2. Then this will be 2 minus 3t raised to the negative 1 over 2. Then derivative inside, that will be derivative of a constant will be 0. Derivative of 3t will be minus 3. So this will be negative 3 over 2 square root of 2 minus 3t, or simply this will be 2 minus 3t. So this is the answer for number 3. By the way, don't forget to watch and subscribe my YouTube channel, Franz MATHS TV. That's all.